Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers, Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we'll learn list repetition operation in Python. We'll discuss how the asterisk operator repeats a list a given number of times. List repetition. The asterisk operator can be used with a list and an integer value to replicate the list. The asterisk operator repeats a list a given number of times. Lists can be repeated just like strings. The asterisk operator, also known as the repetition operator, repeats a list a given number of times. Example. In this example, the first thing I did was create a new list with the three integer elements 1, 2 and 3 and assign it to list 1. After that, I used the asterisk operator to repeat list 1 2 times and assign the result to list 2. The next statement, print list 2, will display the newly created list with the repeated elements. In this case, the asterisk operator repeats the entire list 1 2 times. Next, I created another new list with the three string elements A, B and C. I used the asterisk operator to repeat the list 3 times and assign the result to list 3. The next statement, print list 3, will display the newly created list. In this case, the asterisk operator repeats the entire list 3 times. So the asterisk operator can be used with a list and an integer value to replicate the list. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Contact us ambika27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.